Yes. We're right where we want to be.
To my hungry people everywhere, we are back in the yard with Meisha of Miss Trims for some good curry conch. So let's get cooking. So Mish, we tackled the curry crab last time. We had to do another seafood favorite.
Of course.
Did you go out and catch these?
I wish I did.
That's okay, that's okay. Even if you didn't get them yourself, I'm happy that you're going to teach us all how to make it.
Yeah.
So how do we start?
This one is a crowd favorite.
A crowd favorite?
Curried conch, and it's deemed as a natural aphrodisiac. So it's sought out after by many, especially the men. So this is just curried conch, but there's conch sauce, there's conch ceviche.
Really?
But we're doing curry conch today.
We're
Miss
keeping
Trim
it close to
style.
our heart.
Exactly.
Miss Trim style. All right, so what's first?
All right. Similar to the crab, we're starting off with the oil.
Okay.
So we're gonna get our pot is very hot already. So you're gonna add the oil.
And if I remember correctly, of course, we go in the garlic.
Correct. You're really quick learner, Kezzy.
I was paying attention. I want to make this by myself.
Yes, that's the idea. So come quickly, Kezzy.
Right, so we go in
let's-
with our curry.
yeah, One more spoon. Oh, but it's very hot, so we need a little more oil.
And we don't have a little.
All right. In this case, if this happens, Kezzy, just add some water.
Right?
All right. And it's steaming. Right after, we're gonna add some conch.
Okay.
Like I said, in this case, the pot is extremely hot, so the curry is cooking much faster.
That's okay, but you know how to save anything.
Yes, we're saving it. And we're adding our conch to the mix. This conch is pre-seasoned,
Okay.
very much the same as the crab.
All right, so with the usual suspects. Got it.
Let's lower this fire,
Yeah.
because we're bringing the heat today, Kezzy.
I love that. When you're in the yard, you have to bring the heat.
Yeah, man.
And this is the kusume part.
Yeah, man. Some water.
Sure.
You want to pour it?
All in?
Yeah.
All
All
right.
right, so we're going straight into the steaming process.
Great. We're developing that rich curry gravy from now.
You have to lay the foundations
Right.
from the start.
Right. Makes sense.
Yeah. We're gonna cover it
Okay.
for another 5 minutes or so before we start layering again.
All right. So we let it steam for the 5.
Yes.
Steam for the 5, and then we'll check back.
Yes.
Ooh.
We're right where we want to be.
We are bubbling. It is looking nice. And the conch are colored beautifully.
So we're going in quickly because we realize we're bubbling.
Yeah, the butter.
Yeah. That is flavor pepper.
Right. There's some
and
ginger for you.
ginger.
We have your garlic.
Yes, we do. Very important in the scheme of things. This is seafood, and so our seasoning is really important.
Got it.
We're adding some shadow benny.
Shadow benny, of course.
And then we have 2 new ingredients.
Who
We
are
have-
these guys?
We have rosemary and fine thyme.
Okay.
Right.
It's a little different. I like it.
Yeah, this is some flair that we add into the pot.
We love a pot with some flair. That's one thing we love at Foodie Nation, some flair.
Yeah, this is a dried version
Okay.
of it, and it's just as good, although we prefer fresh.
We like fresh,
We're
but
not
that's all
going to
right.
forget this important spice in the scheme of things.
It's
a
our
little
clove.
Yes.
And we learn in the crab, a little goes a long way.
Correct. Now we right coming up quickly is covering it with our coconut milk.
All right. In with the milk.
And with the milk.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yep. And we're just gonna leave this to do its thing.
How long will it be doing its thing?
All right. Let's see. I would say this could go on for about 20 to 25 minutes.
But we keep checking just
keep
to be
checking.
sure. All right, so 20, 25, and we'll be back. I don't even want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. This is looking like too good. You didn't bring a fork for yourself. You're not trying this with me?
I want it all for you.
All for me.
Yes.
All for me.
I get this every day, but Kezzy, I want you to savor.
Look at the
flavor.
color. Well, thank you very much. Let me. Amazing. Now you know, you could easily overcook conch. And it'll be rubbery and this is nice, melt in your mouth with that rich curry that's hitting you in the face. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. So much so I might take a little piece again. Thank you very much, Meisha. Of course, it is a delight to share your amazing food in our sweet sister island. Thanks for having me. I would love if you teach me a few more things.
Oh, Kezzy.
No, I mean, I'm just saying our friends at home would also love that too.
For them, yes.
For you guys, she will be back. We're begging her to come back. But until we get there, our friends can check you out on Instagram at Miss Trim's Food, or they can visit you guys in Store Bay and get this delicious food anytime you need it. Of course, be sure to check us out at Foodie Nation TT on TikTok, because we are there now, live and bringing more food fun to you. Until next time, guys, bye-bye.